Optima battery. It's aeromotive fuel pressure regulator. MSD 6014. It's LQ4 from Thompson Motorsports. 408 cubic inches, all forged. 11.3 to 1 compression. Runs on 93. Pro Systems 840. Custom carb, check coated Victor Jr. intake. That's hydraulic cam. It's Willwood brakes. Got a Hydro Boost system on it. Eddie Motorsports hood hinges. And radiator, aluminum. CVF front drive system. All billet. So it's around 620 to the flywheel. I do have receipts on it.